Hey everyone, welcome back on our channel. Hope you guys doing great. So without wasting time, let's get started. Today I will show you remote mouse or control through Android mobile phone. This app is available on App Store. So first we go on browser and search remote mouse and click on this link, and now click on Get Now, and here we click on Mac and now open on App Store and now install the app. Now go on Launchpad and open the app here. Here in menu bar icon shows, and here's some properties of app. Now install the same application to your mobile phone. And make sure both the devices connected with same Wi-Fi, and open the app in both devices on same time. Now connect with MacBook. And here it is, mouse work through mobile. And you will use keyboard also. When you use it, you will love this app. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time, and do subscribe.